Let's start with the product rule. Y equals x squared plus 4 times 2x power 3 minus 1. Student can still state the product rule. We'll sit here. The rule isn't the problem. The problem is that nothing on the page tells them where to start. Instead of starting with a rule, we start with a shape. And that's the grid. Write the first one in the first space and write the second one in the second box. 2x power 3 minus 1. Let's find the derivative of x squared plus 4, which gives me 2x. The derivative of 2x power 3 minus 1 gives me 6x squared. Then, starting from bottom left, cross multiply. So, start writing y dashes. I just cross multiply 2x power 3 minus 1 times 2x. Product is multiply. Multiply is repeated addition. So, I put a plus sign. You do a plus sign. Then, cross multiply the other side. And that gives me x squared plus 4 times 6x squared. Read it off the crosses. Yeah, let's try quotient rule. Same idea. Say f of x equals 3x squared over x plus 5. Same grid. Top one goes in the top space. Bottom goes in the bottom space. Derivative of 3x squared is 6x. Derivative of x is 1. The derivative of 5 being 0. Cross multiply again. Bottom left. The derivative is x plus 5, 6x. Division is repeated. Subtraction. Minus. Cross multiply here. 3x squared times 1. 3x squared. Over 3x squared. Over the bottom, just x plus 5 squared. Same grid, 2 questions. There's a plainer 1 page and a feedback form. If you try it, tell me how it went.